Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into your Open AI account and confirming your email. Enable 2FA for security. Once done, pick the plan that matches your usage, free trial for testing or paid for production, because limits affect how many images you can generate. Make sure to create a project or workspace, name it, and gather reference images in JPG or PNG. These steps get you straight into the tool. They speed up prompt testing and keep your assets organized for iterative design. Now you focus on prompt design and generation settings. You craft a clear prompt that states subject, style, mood, dominant colors, and an aspect ratio like 16:9. This guides the model precisely. Then add modifiers, lighting, camera lens, era, or artist-inspired touches, and run 1-4 variants to compare outputs. Make sure to tweak seeds or strength values to control randomness. Finally, set resolution and sample count, and enable safety filters. Preview results to decide which direction to refine next. Finish by picking the best variant, exporting it as PNG or a high-res JPG, and including metadata when required. Once exported, you validate usage rights and deduct credits or tokens accordingly, then store the asset in your project folder. If you encounter artifacts or odd details, refine the prompt with more precise descriptors, reduce strength to lessen edits, or increase sample count and rerun. These steps usually fix glitches. One troubleshooting tip: always simplify conflicting adjectives first, then iterate again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.